Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinike. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous hairstyle. I'll be using this Brazilian wool to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. I actually used 2 packs of Brazilian wool. So now I'll section the hair. After I finish section the hair a little bit, I'll pick it with 6 strands of Brazilian wool. Yes, 6 strands of Brazilian wool. Then I'll braid it a little to the back. Then the next one, I'll be adding another 6 strands of Brazilian wool. Then I'll unroll it twice, 1, 2. Then I'll add another 7 strands of Brazilian wool. I'll unroll it twice, 1, 2. Then I'll add another 7 strands of Brazilian wool again. I'll unroll it twice, 1, 2. After that, I'll keep on unrolling it to the back. So I'll just allow you guys to keep on watching. This hairstyle is a very beginner friendly. I just said let me just try something else without not using attachments. Let me just make this cornrow. I should use Brazilian wool, feeding cornrow. I should use Brazilian wool, and I really love the outcome of the hair because my hair is a natural hair. So you know now we can't actually do a feeding cornrow with a natural hair for a very long period. You can't rock it for a very long period, but if it's a relaxed hair, it's going to come out perfect more than this. But I still love how it came out. I was asking, let me give it a try, let me look how it's going to look like, and I actually love the final look of this hairstyle. I really tried my best in sectioning this hair for it to be very straight. I really tried my best, but I can still manage the pattern like this, you understand? So towards the back, I'll add like 5 strands of Brazilian wool because I want the length to be the same. So that is why I'm adding 5 strands towards the end. We are going to repeat the same step. This is a very beginner friendly because if you are not really perfect in cornrolling or doing a feeding braid, just take a little bit the way I section, then pick it as if you want to braid your hair, then just keep braiding it to the back. Pick a little, yes, then you keep braiding to the back. After that, then I'll add another 6 strands. This is the second time, 6 strands of Brazilian wool. I'll pick my hand twice, 1, then 2. You see the 2 now. Then 2. Then I'll add another 7 strands. I'll pick my hand twice again, 1, then 2. Then I'll add another one again, another 7 strands. Then I'll pick my hand twice again, 1, then 2. If you want to add more, you can add more, but for me it's okay like this. I'll just keep cornrolling. Just make sure you work with your both hands. Look at your, because you know you can't see the back, so you have to make sure your hands, you use your hands to check maybe anyone is not left out. I'm trying my best to kind of explain this part. And make sure you comb your hair. Your hair is detangled very well before you cornrow, or else it will be painful. It will be painful for you to even, it will get tangled. So now we are going to do the same thing. Just pick a little like that. Then I'll pick 6 strands of Brazilian wool. I'll use it to braid as if I want to do a box braid, but no, but I'll braid it to the back. Can you see? Braid it to the back. Then you have to use your hand. This is what I'm talking about, to check maybe anything is not left out. Then I'll pick another 6 strand. Yes, use it to braid it. Then 1, 2. Then I'll pick another one. Use it to braid it again. This is 7 strand. Use it to braid it again. 1, 2. So that's how I'll keep doing it till I'm done controlling the hair. I really tried my best in just doing another hairstyle, not braiding on anything. I just want to check how this is going to come out, me using Brazilian wool to do a feeding braid, and I really love the outcome. Very lightweight. It does not even look as if I have any braid on. Very lightweight. That is why I love Brazilian hair. It's not heavy at all. Very lightweight. After I'm done doing that, I'm just trimming the excess wool, trimming them off. After that, I'm going to be adding 4 beads to each strand of hair. I'll be adding towards the end. Adding this olive oil mousse and olive oil sheen, just add some shine. Then I'll add a little bit of oil. I'll rub it towards the end of the braids. Just add some spice. So thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. Yeah, go. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, support your girl by clicking on the like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, ciao, love you. Thank you.